Struggling to keep your business expenses organized? Are you tired of that end-of-month scramble to match receipts with transactions? What if there was a way to make it all effortless? That's where Relay comes in. It's a business banking platform designed to solve these exact problems. It's not just a place to hold your money, it's a command center for your financial workflow, giving you total clarity and control over where your money is going. So, how does Relay help you manage business expenses? It all starts with their powerful expense management tools. First, Relay makes it easy to capture receipts. When you or a team member makes a purchase with a Relay card, you get an instant text or email reminder to snap a picture of the receipt. No more crumpled paper in your wallet or lost digital invoices. You can simply upload the receipt, and Relay automatically matches it to the right transaction. This means every purchase is documented and audit-ready from the start. But it gets even better. Relay automates expense categorization. You can set up custom accounting rules and even use their AI-powered features to automatically assign the right general ledger code to every transaction. For example, you can tell Relay to always categorize an Amazon purchase as office supplies or a coffee shop visit as meals and entertainment. This saves you from tedious manual data entry and ensures your books are always accurate. And the real game changer? Relay seamlessly integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. All of your categorized transactions and attached receipts can be synced with just a few clicks. This eliminates the need to switch back and forth between different programs and makes month-end reconciliation a breeze. Relay also helps you take charge of your team's spending. You can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards to employees and set individual spending limits and vendor restrictions. This empowers your team to make purchases they need, while you maintain control and visibility over every dollar spent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.